When I get to a new town, which is about every 3 or 4 days, the first thing I do is I scope out the local Planet Fitness and the Walmart. I prioritize Planet Fitnesses because they have showers, but as you can imagine, both facilities serve a very critical purpose for a man that lives in a car with no bathroom. And that is why I am so excited to present to you the ideal conditions to sleep in a parking lot in your car. And I would listen to me. I just drove 7,000 miles researching this exact topic. Take a look at this beauty. Take a look at that. The convenience, the luxury, all right? Step aside Hilton, the Marriott. Listen to me. Walmart, Planet Fitness, one parking lot, shut it down. Obviously, I am in between adventures right now, but more for me than most people, I would say that my journey really is the destination. And this part of it is a big part of the journey. Now, if you do not find the idea of sleeping at a random Walmart exciting, well, it's a big part of it. My recommendation is you try it out. I like it. I think I like this more than regular camp. I'm gonna assume, like myself, you like your van, right? Your van is right here. I'm guessing you like traveling. Good news, I travel to get to this Walmart. I don't do this for my local Walmarts. That would be weird. I'm actually in a Walmart in Montana, and they have this je ne sais quoi. So I'm gonna go and do a couple of these chores that I do all the time to maintain my on-the-road lifestyle. No? Buying this because you can't learn. It's $30. I don't wash underwear, I buy underwear. Yo. Ready? To go? Yeah, I know. The shopping took a lot of time. But I got some plain yogurt. Hi.